Hey, it's Ramey here at the UMI Performance Race Shop, this time with a 3-for-1 special product spotlight. So we have UMI 2040 caster camber plates, UMI 90090 take-up springs, and a Viking kit, J401AB-300. So that's a lot to unpack. Let's go for it. This fits your 82 to 92 Camaro and Firebird, 3rd gen. We have a J401AB strut from Viking. It features 19 positions of compression and 19 positions of rebound, so you can really dial this strut in for drag race, street, autocross, road race, really anything you want to do with the car. The UMI caster camber plate, part 2040, fits on top of the Viking strut here. You can change camber and caster with the plate, so it holds the top of the strut perfectly. We have the coil spring here, 300 pounds, goes on here. And then if your springs are having a little bit of a gap, you can use the UMI take-up spring. It's 0 rate, it's actually 5 pounds of rate, and it takes up that distance. So when you drop the front of the car, the spring doesn't dangle. Pretty nice upgrade, 90090. And then it comes with a little bit more hardware for the 2040s, and then the coilover kit for the Viking. So what this will allow you to do is have the coilover on your car, do with it what you want. It works for handling, daily driving, drag racing, really whatever. Great kit. J401AB 300, UMI 2040, UMI 90090.